I'm going to show you how you can fix the Rakuten Kobo app only displaying a demo preview and no price. The first way you can fix it, first off, you have to go to your account section on the upper right here. On the upper right, you want to scroll down and then you want to tap on sign out of Kobo like this. Tap on continue. Let's just wait for it to sign out. After that's done, sign back in again and then see if it works. If that doesn't work, then you have to go to your settings here. Go to your settings. Now, on your settings, you want to find a setting called apps. You want to go ahead and find apps like this. Now, on apps, let's just wait for this to load. But basically, what we're going to do is that we're going to clear the data for our Kobo app. Now, you have to go to apps here. Now, on apps, go to manage apps. On manage apps, now you want to find Rakuten Kobo. So, find Kobo instead, like these, like see, Kobo books, storage. Now on storage, you can see this is what it will look like. Tap on clear data like this and tap on clear all data. Tap on OK. Now that will clear all of your data. See if that works. If that doesn't work, your final way you can actually fix this, you have to tap on uninstall like this. Tap on uninstall, and then reinstall it. See if that works.